everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about a new skincare product that I was excited to try, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion, and this is my opinion. But I picked up the L'Oreal Age Perfect Cell Renewal Midnight Serum. Yeah, that's what it's called. I saw an ad for this and I was like, oh, it's like Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair or the original Night Repair. This is what it looks like. It gives you the Advanced Night Repair vibes, doesn't it? Those of you who've been with me know I used to work for Estee Lauder. Back in the 80s, I think it was the 80s. It was either late 80s, early 90s, somewhere in there. Estee Lauder did away with their night repair and came out with their advanced night repair, which is still on the market today. When I started working for Estee Lauder, I had to go to schools to learn the products. You had to learn the ins and outs of their products. And I did learn that the night repair, the patent on the formula for the night repair was going to run out sometime in the 2000s. And I don't remember the exact date because back in the 80s, that seemed like it was so far away. So in my head, which I could totally be wrong, but in my head, I'm thinking L'Oreal took that patent and made this. So I was excited to try it. Now I paid $43.99. Yes, that is cheaper than Advanced Night Repair, but that is still a lot of money for a drugstore serum. $43.99. So this says you will get, it's an antioxidant recovery complex, patented antioxidant with bitter orange and vitamin E. Supports skin's natural renewal process. That's what the Advanced Night Repair does. And I sing the praises of Advanced Night Repair. I wish I could afford it all the time. I mean, I drenched my skin in that from the 80s till probably early 2000s. I mean, I really used or even longer than that. I really use the Advanced Night Repair. I swear by that stuff. So that's why I thought, well, if I can get something cheaper. Visible results. The next morning, skin feels deeply moisturized, looks refreshed, well rested, feels renewed, softer, and smoother. In 1 week, skin feels stronger, more supple. See younger, brighter, luminous skin. In 2 weeks, skin looks healthier, overall complexion looks improved. Apply 3 to 4 drops to clean, dry skin every morning and night before your moisturizer. I did that. I put away my other skincare and did this for 2 weeks. Now, my opinion, my skin was looking worse. The firmness was really starting to go. It wasn't working for me. This is not working for me. Is it the same as the original Night Repair? It may be. I can't remember how that was so long ago. Could be. It doesn't look like original Night Repair. It is, the color is right, but it's a kind of a milky looking. It's not exactly like Night Repair. And right now, for me, this is going to be a expensive serum for my hands. I'm not going to use it on my face anymore. Not that it's hurting my face, but it's not helping my face. Now, if you're someone who is not really been doing a lot of skincare, this might work good for you. I'm not saying it doesn't work. It just doesn't work as well as what I currently have been using. So I can't in my heart recommend this. Like I said, it's going to be an expensive serum for my hands. Maybe my hands will start looking... But I put what I put on my face on my hands, so... Now, since I just said all those bad things about it, and it's not bad, but it's not $43.99 worth. It is not. Let me show you. I just recently restocked a serum I absolutely love. I mean, I love this. The Ordinary's the Matrexyl. This is a 10% Matrexyl with a hyaluronic acid. And like I said, I just restocked this. I've been using other things I'm trying to get out of my collection, but the serum I'm using is just about done. So I'm ready to go back to my Matrexyl. I love this. And this sells for under $10. How many ounces is in this? Does it tell me? This is 1 fluid ounce. And this is 1 fluid ounce. $43.99. I think $8.90 or something like that. Under $10. Yeah, I could have got 3 of these for this. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts. These are my thoughts. These are because I was so excited because I thought it was like the original Night Repair. And like I said, it may be, but it's not as good as what I've already been using. So I'm back on my regular skincare again and hopefully get my face back into shape. And yeah, so there you go. I just wanted to share that with you. If you all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.